Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Garima Soni. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Noise was not associated with infertility among younger women. Clinical trial finds adding certain anticoagulant drug ineffective for stroke patients. Stroke patients who survive a blood clot in the brain's blood vessel are prone to developing new blockages during their recovery periods, even if they receive vessel clearing interventions. In an effort to avoid further clots, doctor at 57 sites tested a possible solution, the addition of anticoagulant drugs to medicine that dissolves blood clots. But results from the clinical trial led by the Opeolu Adeoye, MD head of Department of Emergency Medicine at Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis indicate two such drugs did not improve outcomes. The findings are published in the New England Journal of Medicine. We are a little disappointed in the results, said Adeoye, who is also the BJC Healthcare Distinguished Professor of Emergency Medicine. But it's meaningful to optimal patient care that we have answered the question definitely. Neither of the drugs help prevent further clots. The goal of the multi-arm optimization of stroke thrombolysis clinical trial that Adeoye led was to test the efficacy of adding argatroban, a blood thinner, or epifebitide, which inhibits blood platelets from sticking together, to the routine intravenous thrombolysis treatment. The trial closed the chapter on this potential use of these medications, but Peter Panagos, professor of emergency medicine and co-author on the study, said that efforts like this inform future advances in medicine, including potential new anticoagulant treatments. Without negative trials, we would not know how to design new trials, Panagos said. Future success is built upon the hard work of previous research effort. Physicians do not have a lot of treatment options for patients who experience a stroke. Some patients undergo procedure to remove the clot. Others receive intravenous thrombolysis to receive the affected blood vessel through clot-dissolving medication delivered to the bloodstream. A number of patients receive both interventions. Even with those treatments, over half of the patients still have a significant disability 3 months after their stroke, said Adeoye, who treats patients at Barnes Jewish Hospital and Missouri Baptist Medical Center and also provides stroke telemedicine consultation. After you give the thrombolysis, the clot can reform, which contributes to the stroke worsening or persisting. Preventing these clots with an additional treatment of anticoagulant drugs seemed like a promising idea, especially as there are FDA-approved medications that earlier studies had suggested could be effective. In the MOST trial, patients were randomly assigned to receive either argatroban, epifebitide, or placebo. Adeoye explained that the study had checkpoints built in to ensure that treatment outcomes were meeting efficacy thresholds in order to continue. The first checkpoint was set at 500 patients, which the team reached in 2023. When we looked at the data, it was readily apparent that neither drug was going to come anywhere close to our threshold, he said. In fact, the probability that either drug was helpful was less than 1%. Worse still, argatroban and epifebitide were linked to greater incidences of disability and mortality within 3-month post-treatment observation window. This correlation was not necessarily alarming. The safety monitors on the project found that the death appeared to have causes unrelated to the medications. The lack of improvement noted with the medications compared with what we noted with the placebo was reason enough to call off the trial. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.